Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Grow Together. In today's video, we are going to see about Playfair Cipher, which is part of substitution technique in the classical encryption problems. Okay, so first we let us see about the rules given. Okay, for encryption of Playfair Cipher, repeating plain text letter that are in the same pair or separated with a filler letter X. Don't worry if you're not understanding these rules, we will be seeing in detail while we are solving the problems. So whenever the text or whenever you divide them, if you get the same letters, then you are going to insert X in between them. That is what the first rule says. And the second rule, two plain text letters that fall in the same row of matrix are each replaced by letter to the right. So what does these rules say? If any two letters fall in the same row, okay, this is the row and this is the column. So if you could see, A and R falls in the same row. If this happens, then what you are going to write? The next character of A, which will be the R. So you have to take it from the right. And for R, it will be M. What do you understand from this point? That this table is connected circularly. Okay. Now let us see the third rule. Two plain text that fall in the same column are each replaced by letter beneath with the top element of the column, circularly following the last. So what does these rules say? If any two characters falls in the same row, first suppose if you could take R and D, these two falls under the same column. So what this rule is saying, that if you get a situation like this, then write the character which is just below it. Okay, for R you will take D and for D you will take K. This is what the rule 3 states. And what is rule 4? Otherwise, each plain text letter in a pair is replaced by the letter that lies in its own row and the column occupied by the other plain text letter. So, if the both characters are not in the same row or same column, then what you are going to do? If you take it as L and for O, what you are going to do? From L you are going to move towards the right, and for O you are going towards the L. Okay, wherever the intersection comes for L and O, that letter will be taken. Okay, don't worry if you're not understanding now. While solving problem, I will explain this in detail to you. So now let us see, the given key is monarchy. What you're going to do, you're going to build a 5 cross 5 table first, and in this you're going to write the key value. Each block carries only one character, and two characters in the English alphabet falls under the same block. Okay, let us see which characters falls in the same block after some time. Okay, first what you are going to do, monarchy. After filling this, just now go through the English alphabet. A already present, so next B is not present in the key, so add this into the table. Next C is present, D is not present, so E is not present, F is not present, G is not present, and for I, J you will be taking it in the same box. Okay, if I or J comes in the key, then what you are going to do, you're going to take either Q or X with their consecutive letters in the same block. Okay, so you have to fill this table like this. After filling this table, now we have to check what is the given plain text. Here the given plain text is balloon. Now what you're going to do, you're going to split it into pairs. Okay, so BALLOON. In this way you're going to segregate the letters. After segregating, you have to check whether the two letters are repeated or not. That is what our first rule says, right? So LL, these both are same in the same pair. So what you're going to do, you're going to add an X in between this. Okay, after adding X, you have to separate it again. Now it becomes BALXLOON. Okay, after this, now what you have to do, you have to find the ciphertext. So BA, now check in the table whether B and A are in the same row or same column. They are in the same column. So what we are going to do, as per rule 3, we are going to take the character just below them. So for A it will be B, and for B it will be either I or J. So the given order is BA, so we are taking I and B. Okay, next what is the given characters in the pair LX? So L is over here and X is over here. Okay, they both are not in same row or same column. Now what we are going to do, we are going to move from L towards X until we find the intersection part. Okay, for L and X the intersection part is S, and for X and L the intersection part is U. So that is what here written, SU. And then what is given, LO. Now let us check whether LO are present in either same row or same column. The answer is no. So now what we are going to do, from O we are going to move towards the L, and from L we are going to move towards the O, and we are going to write the intersection characters, and those will be M and P, right? So but the given order is LO. So what is the corresponding for L? For L it is P. So here we have written P. For O it is M. So we have written M. What is the next pair? O and N. So O is over here and N is over here. They both are in the same row. So what does the rule 2 says for us? If they both lie in the same row, take the right side characters. So for O it will be N, and for N it will be A. So for O it will be N, and for N it will be A. In this way you are going to encrypt the text in the Playfair cipher. So here if you could see, if you consider this example, balloons after dividing into pairs will be getting BA, LX, LO, ON, and yes, S will be alone. When some letter is alone, you have to add X into it. Always make sure the characters which you divide is a pair. Okay, so in this way you are going to solve the Playfair cipher. For more much interesting content, follow Let's Grow Together. See you in the next video. Bye guys.